Did you do freelance work this year and receive a 1099 NEC? If you're not sure where this gig economy income goes on your tax return, you're not alone. Today, we're entering your 1099 NEC and TurboTax correctly. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. The 1099 NEC reports non-employee compensation, money you earned as an independent contractor, freelancer, or side hustler. The right place, business income, not wages. In TurboTax, don't look for the wages section. Instead, go to the business or self-employment section. When prompted, indicate that you have 1099 NEC income. TurboTax will then guide you to the right form. The process: enter the details. You'll enter the payer's information and the amount from box 1 of your 1099 NEC. TurboTax will use this to calculate your self-employment tax and help you identify deductible business expenses. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: don't forget your business deductions. This is the silver lining of self-employment income. When you enter your 1099 NEC, TurboTax will walk you through common business expenses like home office use, mileage, supplies, and advertising. These deductions directly reduce your taxable income, so be thorough. So, just like that, you're correctly reporting your freelance income and maximizing your deductions. Properly handling 1099 NEC income goes a long way in staying compliant and keeping more of your hard-earned money. Now I'm curious, what's your main freelance gig? Consulting, creative work, or something else? Share your side hustle in the comments. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.